Hello and welcome to us here at Polykemi. We would like to show you our production process, the journey of manufacturing this. Customized plastic materials called compounds. What we do is called compounding. Take a look at this old illustration. We mix different ingredients according to a specific recipe. We blend it, we melt it. Out comes strands that looks like spaghetti. We cool it, we dry it, and we cut it into granules. Let's go inside to see the process. It all begins with our customer. They let us know what kind of material they need so that we together can create the optimized material. The next step is here, in our development department. This is where we create the recipe for the material. The recipe consists of raw material, reinforcements, additives, and color pigments. Together they give the material its unique properties, like withstanding high temperature environments or enduring tough sunlight. But it also has to be in the correct color. So let's go see where the colors are created. The coloring process is a very important part of developing a material. In here, our color specialist mixes different pigments to create the specific color that our customer wants. After developing this final part of the recipe and the customer has approved the sample material, it's time for production. This is where the production begins. The raw material bags are opened over there by the robot. Then our material sample over there distributes the material with vacuum suction through the pipes all the way to the machines. We are now at one of our 36 machines that are called extruding lines. The pipes from the material central ends up in a container where the ingredients are mixed to secure a homogeneous base. Then the material mix is fed into the extruder. So, what happens on the inside? The material is plasticized, kind of like melted, by two co-rotating screws that looks like this. They process the material and at the same time they move it forward through the machine. The material exits here as spaghetti-looking strands. At first in semi-liquid form, but they solidify when they are cooled down in the water. The strands are then let out of the water. When the strands have dried, they go into a pelletizer that cuts them into granules. Then they go into a device that removes dust and deformed granules. The material is then sucked up into a post-blender to make sure it's homogeneous. Now the compound is ready, but first it has to be quality checked in our laboratory. Here, in our laboratory, we do many different tests to ensure that the material is within agreed specification on every material batch. To do that, we produce test specimens. For example, with this, we ensure the material has the right color, and with this, we secure that the material has the correct impact resistance. When the material has been quality approved, it ends up here, in one of our 16 warehouses, waiting for delivery. We deliver in big bags, in octobins like that, 25 kilo bags, in containers by train, and in bulk trucks, like the one outside. Once the materials arrive at our customers, it's melted and injection molded into parts for the automotive industry, household appliances, for furniture, and for many other applications. This completes the journey through our production. from fulfilling the needs of our customer to a ready compound. Hope you have enjoyed it. Bye.